Welcome to another OBD Sync tutorial. I'm Jason, and today we're going through how to activate the factory reverse camera and video and motion options on a VE Series 1 radio. So we go ahead, we're going to check the version of the radio first. If it's version 9, as we see here that I'm displaying, then we can do both camera and video and motion. If it's version 6, you can only do video and motion. If it's version 4, you can do neither, unfortunately. So once you've checked that and you're ready to go, we'll go ahead and click on vehicle. We'll go to the radio option. This will then load up all the available options for that module. We'll then see we'll have these new items along the top. We'll have configuration and flashing and learn. We'll go to flashing. We'll click on the configurable options, and then we're going to select the parameter reverse camera and video and motion and turn that to on. Make sure you've got a battery maintainer fitted, as we can see here. And when ready, click on write to begin. This will then download the required files and begin the flashing procedure. This is completed within only a couple seconds, as we see here. The radio will then go black as it goes to reboot, and then it will display the startup logo once it's completed. After we've done that, we just need to go over to the menu on the radio, and we actually need to go and turn on now the new option, which will say reverse cam. This is off by default, so we need to make sure we're turning it on. After that, we can click on exit, and now we have factory reverse camera on and video in motion. So you're now able to put it into reverse, and you'll get the reverse image appear on screen. If you have a camera, you'll see the camera. If not, it will be black until you put it back into park or drive. If you have video in motion activated, you can then also go to the rear aux option and connect up whatever your external audio and video is to display on screen, and that won't go black while driving as well. That's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.